Hi friends, let me show you this foot massager and full body massager electric massager system. Okay, you get the foot pad to use it. This is the main unit. Okay, you will charge it with a micro USB cable. You connect it here and you get a remote control. Okay, but this system also has a full body massage mode. You connect this here. You can connect up to 4 patches like this here, and you get this plastic out. Okay, you put the patch wherever you want the massage, and you turn it on. Okay, so whether you want a massage in your feet or in different parts of your body, this is a great unit to do it. Let's try it. So let me show you. This foot massager is really easy to use. You just have to put the main unit, okay, with the letters to the front in these clips. Okay, and that's it. You want to put your feet and you have the remote. So you can start changing the modes. Okay, it has 8 different massage modes, and you can change the intensity with this plus button. Less intensity or more intensity. Okay, so, well, depends on what you want to do. It depends on the kind of massage that you enjoy the most. You can change everything with the remote. And of course, you can change it also here in the main unit, but the remote is more comfortable. And the unit will work for 20 minutes. If you keep it on working, it will work for 20 minutes and then shut off. So I think it's a great option to use it if you are working, if you are looking at the TV, seeing a movie, reading, whatever. You can leave the massage working for 20 minutes and that's it. Great massage. Thank you very much. Okay. Now I'm going to try the full body massage mode. I'm going to try it with two pads, with 2 contact points. Okay. You connect each of your massage pads to this cable. Okay. I'm going to use 4 spots, in fact. Okay. Then you get this plastic off while you use it. Okay. You put the pad, okay, where you want to have the massage deliver. Okay. I'm using it in my back. Okay. As you can see, I have the massage points there. And then you connect the unit to the main control. Okay. And you start to feel the massage as you feel in your feet. It's kind of the same. Okay. It's like an electric current, like an electric, current through the massage points. Okay. So it feels nice. It feels pretty nice. Okay. You can change intensity and you feel it stronger, of course. Okay. Look how the muscles move. Your muscles move automatically. Okay. You can use it in your legs, in your arms, in your back, in your neck, in your lower back, whatever you think you can feel great with a massage. Okay, this is a good one. Perfect. So you could have both either your feet massage or anywhere in your body where you would like to feel a massage. This unit, this product, it's great for it. I really recommend it. It's really relaxing. Thank you.